In this video, we're going to talk about what's known as direct variation. And sometimes you might hear this when you say that two variables are directly proportional to each other. And so here, when two things vary directly, so we can say y varies directly as x, then we'll always have this equation where y equals k times x, where k is a positive number. Now this is just a linear function. It'd actually be a line that goes through the origin. And what it's saying is that when one thing goes up, the other one goes up. And when one thing goes down, the other goes down. And it always goes up or down in the same rate. So here's the type of problem that we can do with this. It says the weight of an object on the moon varies directly as its weight on Earth. So we have two things. We have, let's use m for the object's weight on the moon. And E for the weight on the Earth. And we're told that the weight on the moon varies directly as the weight on the Earth. So we know that we'll have some equation, m equals k times E. So this says if an object weighs 138 pounds on Earth, if it weighs 138 pounds on Earth if it weighs 23 pounds on the moon. So we're going to put 23 in for the moon and 138 for the Earth. Now we can divide both sides by 138 here to find what our k always is. And we get that k is equal to 1/6. So what we're saying is the weight on the moon is always equal to 1/6 the weight on the Earth. Okay, now this says how much does a 252 pound object weigh on the moon? So that's its weight on Earth. So we're going to do moon equals 1/6 times 252. And we get 42. So it would weigh, on the moon it would weigh 42 pounds.